Hey everyone, it's Kiwi, and today I am excited to share with you some incredible products that are perfect for your furry friends. But first, let's talk about something really important. That is the health and safety of our pets. Traditional cleaning products can contain chemicals such as bleach, ammonia, chlorine, formaldehyde, phenol, isopropyl alcohol, all of which are often used in cleaning products and can be harmful to your dog. According to PetMD, these chemicals can cause a range of health issues in dogs, including skin irritation, respiratory problems, and even poisoning. Did you know that cancer is the leading cause of pet mortality, with nearly half of dogs over 10 years and older affected? The USA, future projections estimate that 2/3 of dogs and 1/3 of cats will be diagnosed with cancer. This is why it is so important to choose safe, chemical-free products for our homes and pets. Plus, the cost of treating a pet with cancer can range anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 and rarely cures the problem. So let's discuss some safer alternatives. The first one is our pet Stain and Odor Remover Concentrate. This product is tailor-made to combat pet stains and odors without harsh chemicals or single-use bottles. It is powered by enzymes and probiotics for a thorough and effective clean. It is ultra concentrated, which means that one of these bottles makes 6 of our Glass Forever spray bottles. It is scented with natural citrus essential oils. It's USDA certified, 38% bio-based. Next up, I love this one, is our Dog Deodorizer Fresh Fur. It is perfect for in-between washes. This deodorizer freshens up your dog without synthetic fragrances. It is enhanced with probiotics to control odors. It's pH formulated for your dog's skin, and no rinsing is required. You simply just spray on your dog, rub it, and go. And it's dermatologist tested. Next up, we have our 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and it's in a royal berry scent. This pH balance formula is gentle and effective for cleansing, moisturizing, and conditioning your dog's coat. It is pH formulated specifically for your dog's skin. It leaves the fur feeling soft and conditioned, and it's dermatologist tested. To keep your floors clean, we have the Pet Door Mat in graphite. This mat traps dirt, mud, debris from shoes and paws. It has a slip-resistant backing. It keeps dirt, chemicals, and allergens and water from entering your home. It also features backlock for self-cleansing properties, so it doesn't get all stinky. Next, we have our pet towel. It is, after a bath, this pet towel is a must-have. The microfiber towel is designed to dry your pet quickly and provide a secure hold. It is ultra-absorbent microfiber. It soaks up moisture. It features backlock to help keep the cloth fresher longer, and it hangs dry, so it dries super fast. It's got a nice little hang tag. Next up, we have our pet mitt. This is an oldie but a goodie. It can be used wet or dry to bathe your pet, remove loose hair, dirt, leaves. I like to squeeze my dog's paws when he comes in on a rainy day. It features thick, plush microfiber. It is soft and super absorbent. It removes excess pet hair and dirt. It dries quickly, and it can be used over and over again. It also features backlock for self-cleansing properties. All right, next talk about keeping those floors clean with our duster mop pad. This is an absolute favorite. We had it before and it sold out super quick. These pads are perfect for removing pet dander, keeping your floors clean. It will pick up human hair, pet fur, dirt, debris, all kinds of things. It has a very ultra fine microfiber that is statically charged to hold dust and particles. It is quick and efficient, works on your mop system, great for hardwood floors. It's made from 70% recycled microfiber, and it's standard 100 Oikotech certified. I hope that you guys have found these products as amazing as I do for your fur babies. They are all designed to keep your pets happy and healthy without the use of harmful chemicals. So let's give our pets the best care possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.